Creating a company can be a complex process, and the steps you need to follow may vary depending on your country and the type of company you want to create. Here's a general guide to the steps you may need to take to create a company.
Determine the type of company you want to create. There are several types of companies you can create, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Each type of company has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to do your research and determine which one is right for you. Choose a name for your company. Once you've decided on the type of company you want to create, you need to choose a name for it. The name should be unique and not already registered by another company. You can check this with your local company registration authority. Register your company. Depending on where you live, you may need to register your company with the local government. This may involve filling out forms and paying a fee. Make sure you research what the requirements are in your area. Obtain any necessary licenses and permits. Depending on the type of business you are starting, you may need to obtain licenses and permits before you can begin operating legally. For example, if you're starting a restaurant, you'll need to obtain a food service license. Set up your business structure. You'll need to determine the legal structure of your business, including how it will be owned and managed. You may need to create a board of directors or a partnership agreement. Develop a business plan. A business plan outlines your goals for the company, your strategy for achieving those goals, and your financial projections. You may need to develop a business plan if you plan on seeking funding or investors. Obtain funding. Depending on your business needs, you may need to obtain funding to get started. This may involve securing a loan, seeking investors, or using personal savings. Hire employees. If you plan on hiring employees, you'll need to develop a hiring process and make sure you're in compliance with all employment laws. Set up your physical space. Depending on the type of business you're starting, you may need to set up a physical space. This could involve leasing a storefront, building a warehouse, or renting office space. Launch your company. Once you've completed all the necessary steps, you can launch your company and begin operating. Make sure you have a plan in place for marketing and promoting your business.